Today's Joe Show is sponsored by Chulani Promotional Products. Hi, I'm Joe Haley. You're watching The Joe Show. Check out today's first product. I'm going to show you 3 different sizes of a portfolio, and they all have great functionality. First, they got great styling. This has got an outside zipper, and when I open it up, you can see, of course, we've got the spiral-bound notebook. And what you might not have noticed right away is that this has got a built-in power bank. So as you're at a meeting, or if you're at an off-site event, put your phone in here, and you can charge it as you're at the meeting. This top area, that's going to unfold, and it's going to be able to allow you to slot your phone or your tablet in there as well. And as we get bigger in size, the functionality is going to change. You get more features. You got some front pockets here. Inside, you have more pockets with a mesh pocket. We've got a folder there, and again, it has got the built-in power bank. I'll show you the largest one of them. Okay, this one's really great. So you've got a great area here to dock all your cables, your USB flash drives if you need. Again, this is going to come out, and you're going to be able to put your tablet in there, your phone in there. You can put your phone in here as well. You're going to remove this so you can see underneath there is our power cord. So if you do on-site education, you're an education company and you go to corporations or people come to you, it's a great gift to give people. It's going to incent them to sign up for classes. If you have off-site meetings and you want to do something special for your employees, if you usually give them a journal, this is really going to be great, and it's a great welcome gift for any new employee. All right, the next product I'm going to show you here. Let me pull up my tablet. So this is my tablet, and we know that on most of your devices you have a camera there. Well, this is the Cam Shield webcam cover, and Cam is with a K, K-A-M, and what it's going to do, if I am watching a movie or if I'm on here on Facebook or doing whatever, I could slide the shield over, and then so if anyone tries to hack into my unit, they can't watch me doing anything. And hacking is really big right now. People are hacking into emails, to Facebook pages, a lot of different things. So you want to keep your privacy. It's got a great opportunity for co-branding, got a great spot to advertise or promote a company, an organization. A lot of schools give this. It also works for laptops as well. Schools will give students laptops, and students want to stay safe and be private, so they can use one of these, put a school logo on there as well. Local police departments can hand these out. It could be an upsell gift, or it could be a gift with purchase for tablets or a laptop. It's just great to have in this day and age for your own cyber security. All right, I'm going to show you 2 keys here. I'll show you the first one. Okay, so we've got a dome cover here. We've got message on the back, and we've got a little logo on the front. We've got the split key ring there. This can be cut by any key cutter. So for any house keys, there's 2 different versions of this key. For realtors, this is a great idea. You give them either the blanks, and then you get them cut, or you get those house keys cut already. Great for apartment complexes as well. It could work for dormitories at schools and universities. And I'm going to show you another one. It's a great summer promotion. This one promotes a favorite beverage. It's got the split ring on it, and you're going to see it's got a bottle opener there. So for beer companies, this is going to be a great summer giveaway. You can give these to people who come to an event. They can go get them cut, or if you bring a cutter there, they can be cut on site. In addition, if you're thinking about running a promotion where you have one of those boxes that you open up, and you got the right key, who has the right key, you open up and you win the prize inside. All the keys can be pre-cut and give you the lock, and you've got a great promotion to run. It's great for younger people, teens, and college-bound students as well. Now, this next product, get this up here. All right, so this is an exercise ball. It's got a great cover on here. You can see the great graphics. This is a lot of fun, and you'll see that I'm holding onto a base here. This is actually a chair. It's great for the office because it's going to get you in a good position. You're not going to slouch. You're not going to lean back, and it's great for the core. It's going to be great exercise, we'll call it, for the core. So when you're sitting at work, you're working at your desk, you're typing away, this ball is going to keep you, hopefully keep you in shape. So it can be used in the office. It can be used at schools, of course. So if you're looking for something to put into your company store, company logo on it, that would be a pretty neat idea. All right, now we have some products from today's Joe Show, sponsored Chulani. We're going to start off with our USB car charger. So pretty simple. You plug this into a cigarette lighter in your car. You can plug up to 2 items in here. So you're using your GPS as you're driving. It drains the battery really quick. You want to make sure that you're staying charged. You plug it into the USB car driver. It comes in a number of different colors. Works great for the automotive industries. And think about that. You might have 1-2 man shop, like a car detailer. They might have a lot of money to advertise anyplace else. They can advertise with this. They can put it in the car when someone comes to pick up their car, and they have a useful product. I also think, and I keep talking about rental cars, they don't give you something they should. This is a great idea. We also have the portable power bank. Again, we got some great colors here, so hopefully it fits the company logo. We're inching towards hurricane season here on the East Coast. You know, storms can come and you can lose power for days, weeks on end. You want to make sure that your devices are charged up so you can stay in touch with family and friends throughout the country. So you need a power bank in an emergency kit. It's also great to always have in a car, to always have in a backpack or a briefcase, and to take traveling with you, because you don't have to shut your phones off on planes anymore. But if you forget to, you know, if you leave it on, it could drain the battery, and when you get to a destination, you're going to want to make calls, so you need a power bank to charge that unit back up. All right, well, that's all the time we had today. Thanks a lot for watching. This is ASI TV.